Hi! In this video, I'm gonna make $1,000 in less than 30 minutes. And no, I'm not talking about making $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 as many YouTubers claim they're doing and many Telegram channels they're claiming they're doing, and then they're telling you that if you join my VIP, my Telegram, then you have to pay like a lot of money, and then they will put alerts and signals, and you know, like, you're just gonna lose all your money. Why am I different? Well, I'm telling you, most traders out there, they are not doing live trading. Most traders, they will take you to your the Telegram channel and just send you alerts. When you enter those alerts, when you enter those signals, then you will enter 30 seconds or 1 minute or even 2 minutes later than the actual trader, because the trader will send the alert after the person has entered themselves, to make sure that they of course will win the trade themselves, right? So that is why live trading would be better, but I don't see many traders do it. But we do it live on my Telegram, okay? We do it on Zoom, so there's zero delay and you can join it right now for free. Yes, for free. If you click on the link in the description down below and you reach out to me and send me your UID, which is the ID on your broker, then I will go in and check if you are registered on my link, and if you are, then you can just deposit whatever you want and then you are in my channel. It's very great. I'm very happy and thankful to what has happened. Like, guys, thank you so much. Like 4,000 subscribers, that's amazing. And the reason why I have been gone for such a long time is because I've been in the Philippines for more than 1 month. I'm back, baby, and as you could see, I just released 1 week ago my CashX video, which is my paid subscription if you want to take it a step further from the free signals. If you're just here for the free signals, well, join my link now and I will show you and give you a little taste of what you can expect in those live streams. All right. Here we go. A lot of scammers on the internet. Don't trust everything that you hear. Don't trust everything that you see. So we're not going to talk about strategies today. You can simply learn all these strategies that I'm doing and you can join me live. Those strategies, I will reveal those strategies in my sessions, and I'm not talking about VIP sessions or like academy sessions or something that you have to pay for. This is totally free. Boom, you're there, baby. Just click the link in the description down below and enjoy this video. Okay, so first I need to analyze and figure out what trades is actually good to take. I'm not using any indicators. I'm not doing OTC trades. I'm simply looking at the chart. Okay, so I'll get back to you right when I have a trade. All right, guys, here is an interesting place to take a trade here. If you look here at the 1 minute chart here, you can see we came up to a very, very high position. As far as I'm concerned, we haven't seen this for quite some time. We hit an order block, we took out that order block, and we're continuing up. And if we're coming further up, then I also have a second trade coming up here. And if it comes to a certain point, then I will trade, and I will do a trade based on what I see. And as you can see, if I lose this first trade, I'm not even gonna worry. And no, guys, this is not gambling. I'm looking for order blocks. I'm looking for resistance and support. I'm looking for supply and demand within the market. And no matter what I do, there's always a reason for it, and you can see that in my sessions Monday to Thursday. I have a very, very strict strategy that I use, which is my own strategy that I've always been using, and this is what people are making money on, and this is how I created my freedom team. We are all a community together that's trading every single day. So if you would like to try this out and see if it works for you as well, and then you can join totally for free down the link in the description below. You were signing up on the broker either way, right? Because otherwise, why would you be here? Either you have a pocket option account or you're about to create one and you just really want to see if these strategies works and if there are people who actually knows what they're doing. So I created a first trade on a sell when price came up to a certain area. Then when price came a little bit further up, then I took another trade that I call a double up. If I were continuing up and reaching a higher point where I will do a recovery, that will be my third and final trade. I do 3 trades, and if none of them wins, it will be a bad day. I will be in loss, and yeah, I take a lesson. And that's all it is, guys. You are not losing. You are taking a lesson because you are learning. Trading is about learning. It's about mindset. It's about pushing yourself to the limits to understand how the market works. So as you can see here, I have 40 seconds left on this trade here, and price is starting to come a little bit up again. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna clear this one, but I have 1 minute left on the top one. And this one I will 100% guarantee win, because price has come so far up that is not something that is going to get back to within the next 1 minute. I will win the $1,000, maybe I will not win the $500, and which will be fine, because as you probably can do math, then 1,000 plus 500 is 1,500, so my investment was 1,500, but what will I get? I will get $1,870, which is $370 profit, right? So I lost the $500, boo-hoo me. If I'd done 3 minutes or 2 minutes, I would have cleared both. It is what it is. Sometimes I do 3 minutes, sometimes I do 4 minutes, sometimes I do 5 minutes. It depends on what I see within the market. If you're looking at my skin right now and you're seeing that it looks like I'm sweating, it's simply because of these soft boxes here. So today I want to show you how to make $1,000 in less than 30 minutes, because I want to get some new freaking curtains, because this natural light makes it look like I'm like using like some kind of drug or anything like that. I'm not on drugs, guys, I promise, but it looks like I'm sweating so much, and I'm really not. I'm just wearing some cream, and because of the natural light and the combination of what's happening in my room, then it just looks a little bit overwhelming. So I would really like to have some black curtains that can shut off the total natural light and just make the studio light working for me, so I can control it 100%. So these $370 will do me good, because that's half of what I need to buy the curtains. So we'll do another trade after, and then it will be done. Like, I'll be done for the day. I made my money, right? So of course you can't start like that. You have to get to a certain amount in order to do this, than what I'm doing right now. And I would never recommend you to use $1,000 when you're trading. But as you can see, I won it, and you can see here, I lost the 500, but I won the 1,000. So 1,000 plus 500, 1,500, and I won $1,870. I took the trade here on the wick, and I took the trade here on the order block. All right, so let's go to the next one. I don't want to sit here for hours. I don't want to be sitting here and being stuck like for a whole day, like just trading and losing money. And at some point you will lose. That's just how the market works, right? You enter at a good time, you set up your strategies, you set up your setups, and then you take those setups, right? But if you have already taken 2-4 setups, like, why would you stay in the market? You done your deed. You did good for today. Happy trading. Just get out of there. You made your money, and you can get back again tomorrow. All right, here we have a special area here where you can see that GBP, JPY came up to same area as it once were before, with all these wicks, with this order block, with this fair value gap. So I expect price to come down here for another 3 minutes. So I entered right here, and as you can see, price is going a little bit down here. Let's see if 3 minutes is enough. So if I win this trade, then I will be in $425 more on top of the $370, which will make me almost in profit with $800. Then I only need one more trade to make my $1,000, and then I will have enough for my curtains. And that's basically how I work. Like, I don't need to trade more than 2, 3, 4 trades. That's what it is. When you come to my position, then you just need those trades. Also with Forex, also with stocks, also with crypto. So what we do in my VIP, you will trade with me for 1 hour, right? You'll trade with me for either 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. EST, or 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. EST. And then I will give you the alert. I will tell you, okay, you should trade here. And then once it comes to that alert, I will say now. But I will not do it on text like all other Telegram channels. Like you've seen so many Telegram channels out there being like, oh yeah, you deposit to this broker and then I will take you into my VIP and you know I can do this. I will do this alerts in the channel and you can just follow and you win. You never win. Like, let's face it, guys. How many of you have experienced this? You join a channel, you are sitting there, you're being so stoked, you're being so excited about winning. Every single day you see so many wins, you see all these testimonials, you see all these reviews from people saying that they are winning, and then you join for 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, and you lose. And he wins or she wins. That's how it works with Telegram channels. That's why I made it very important to myself that I would not do those kind of things. I will do it live with you guys. So I'm trading live with you for an hour, either 6 to 7 a.m. EST or 7 to 8 a.m. EST. And look at that, we won. So now we have made $370. It could have been more, but we lost the first trade, unfortunately. And here we won for $425 because we didn't lose the first trade. So we made a total of almost $800, which is great. All right, guys, we are back here again with odd cats. I found another interesting area right here where price been going from where we took the trade up, taking out that high there and creating a new high here, coming up to a point where it should come down, should make some bearish momentum instead of just keep going up, because we have seen it go up for such a long time. I only did 3 minutes because I believe that we have a very bullish momentum here and that it will keep going up, but maybe 3 minutes would be enough to just make it spike down, create that lower wick and spike us in, right? That's usually how it works. If we continue a little bit up, what I will do is I will do 4 minutes and then I will do as before, I will do $1,000 so that I will get that $370 on top, right? It's not easy to do. It is really easy when you understand how strategies works. If you understand how price action works, if you understand how trading works in general, then it is easy to do. But it's not easy to just get those 3-4 trades every single day and just win. Some days you will lose. Some day you will have lessons. And then you'll be like, but I'm such a bad trader. And you will bomb yourself in the head and be like, I'm stupid. I cannot do this. I don't know how to do it. Like, but it's not you. If you're doing it consistently and you're winning week after week and then suddenly you lose 1 day or 2 days, that's because you can't keep winning. You just can't. It's impossible. Even I, as a professional trader, will lose at some point. I will not feel it's a loss. Like, if you grow your account with $3,000, but you get back to only growing your account with $1,300, you still made $1,300. And if that's for the week or for the month, perfect, great. In your position, it's amazing. For me, of course, I would like a little bit more because I'm actually living from this, right? But to be honest, it's all about making those few steps, like just one step at a time. Just grow a little bit, understand a little bit more, create your mindset, make it better, bigger, stronger, faster all the time. Always grow yourself, even if it's just reading a book or sitting looking at the charts all day or like listening to me. I don't know, like what you will do. But as you can see here, we have 3 wins here. This one is not considered as a loss. I don't see losses if I win on the bigger trade. So for me, this was 3 wins, 3-0. If you go to my Twitch channel, if you go to my Kick channel, and if you go to my Zoom meetings and my VIP and everything, then you also know that I will never consider this as a loss. Because can we agree that this is more than this? Yes, it is. So no losses, 3 wins. And we are now on $12,000. We started on $10,000. So yes, we grew the account with a little bit more than $1,000. I made it. I did it. Now I can go buy new curtains and you can go out, live your life. So happy trading out there, and I'll see you in the next video.